Hey guys, welcome back to Beyond the Barrel. On this week's episode, we're gonna go over a few things to help make your holiday shopping experience a little bit better with Utah Airguns, as well as some awesome last minute gift ideas for that man or woman in your life. You know, some stocking stuffers, some of the things that people like to see, particularly under $200. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, it's Austin with Utah Airguns. For those of you who don't know me, I am the shipping manager here. I'm here to try to make sure that your stuff gets to you on time and safely. Me and my crew work really hard to make sure you guys have a good experience with everything you buy here. So before we get into some of these awesome products that we have to offer this holiday season, we are going to suggest that you guys have your orders in by December 10th if you want them by Christmas. And obviously we get a lot of orders in, but the main thing is that shipping companies out there get crazy busy. And just to guarantee that you get your orders on time for those stocking stuffers or whatever this might be for, December 10th is a good date to shoot for. We will always try to fulfill things ordered after that, but let's really try to aim for that date. One of the really cool things that we offer on our website is called Route. And we know with this holiday season, a lot of people are out there, unfortunately, taking packages off of porches. Route protection helps, it's basically a shipping insurance for your package. It's a pretty minimal amount for your insurance, but it will cover some of your high dollar stuff, your guns, your thermal scopes. So if something does get damaged or stolen, you go ahead and file a claim with Route. They automatically reorder with us. That order comes straight back to my team and we get you out your new product. Another one of the awesome things that we always offer, but I want to emphasize this season as well, is that if you guys get into a little bit of a pinch, maybe you didn't get your order in by that December 10th date, we do offer expedited handling and shipping. So you can jump to the front of the line for a fee. You just need to call into our shop, talk to one of our salesmen. They'll walk you through the pricing through that, and we'll get your order out same day with those services. So give us a call, let us know what you need, and we will see if we can facilitate it. We always want to do our very best to take care of you guys and make sure that things are getting to you on time, especially in tight spots like a holiday season and some last minute gifts. Thanks for hanging out with me on today's episode, you guys. I'm gonna pass it off to our next employee, and they're gonna go over some of our awesome stuff.
What's up, guys? My name is Cameron. I am the wholesale distribution manager here at Utah Airguns / Marksman Distribution. I don't really deal with stuff on the retail side very often. I'm mostly working with our dealers, but I will show one of my favorite products that I always like to recommend to people, and that is this little guy right here. So this is the Air Marksman neoprene mag pouch, and these are super, super handy. They've got a belt loop on the back so you can fit them on your belt, or I actually keep one of these on my bino harness when we're out doing prairie dog hunts. And the reason being is you can take a couple of impact style, so these side shot impact style magazines, and they'll fit right in this pouch. It's actually designed for these mags. So they'll drop right in there, and there's a little divider that separates them. And then all you do is you pull this little tab right here, and it has a quick closure so that the mags don't fall out. So these are super secure and super nice because you're always fishing for these things, and if you keep them in your pocket, they get lost in there. And when you need to get to a magazine, all you do is you grab this little tab right here and pull it, and it pops the whole thing open, and you can easily get your mag out. This will also hold 2 small tins of pellets, so if you're not using the impact style mags in your gun, you can keep a couple extra tins of slugs or pellets in there. These are one of the most handy things I've ever used for air gunning because they keep you organized and they keep your mags right where you need them, and they are on sale right now. So head over to our website and pick a couple up. Guys, the Air Marksman mag holder is my pick for this week. Let's go ahead and pass it off to the next guy.
What's up, guys? It's Landry with Utah Airguns. What I do here is I'm the brands manager for Air Marksman. So taking those cool ideas, making them a reality for the shooters. The product we do is for shooters by shooters. So definitely something to look for. On that note, my first pick for an under $200 great gift idea for that hard to shop for somebody in your life, which would be the Air Marksman cleaning kit. So this thing comes in the patch pouch, which if you already have all your cleaning stuff or other things you want to store, you can buy this pouch separate. But when you buy the cleaning kit, you get everything you need for the basic barrel cleaning of the gun. So let's dive into this. First thing's your Deadeye pull through. This is going to thread down the muzzle, put your patches on, which obviously comes with patches. And then last but not least is going to be your Ballistol lube for cleaning up and conditioning the barrel. If you're seeing any degradation of accuracy in your gun, first step is to clean the barrel. Lead builds up, and the suggestion we give to everybody is to clean that barrel. So if you don't have a cleaning kit, this is the one for you. Price for the entire kit's gonna run $39.99, and the bag itself, the patch pouch, is actually on sale for $8.79 alone. So if you wanna buy just that, and save you a little bit of money. So all that in one little kit fits inside a stocking for that Christmas gift idea. That's my pick for the under $200 accessory gift idea. We'll pass it on to the next person to give their ideas to you.
Hi guys, I'm Haley. I'm on the marketing team here at Utah Airguns, and I wanted to talk today about our apparel. We have some new hats, we've got t-shirts, we have sweatshirts as well. These are probably my personal favorite because they're super soft. I'm all about a soft sweatshirt. We have them in sizes small through XXL, so you can size up or down whatever you want. We've got the fun duck camo going on, and then some other designs. These make a great gift for someone. You can buy it for yourself. We are having a sale on these guys right now, and just make a good all-around Christmas gift for someone in your life. That is my pick for this week. I'm going to pass it to the next person.
All right, I'm Skyler with Utah Airguns. I'm on the distribution side with Ryan, and today we're going to talk about the bone dry 2-gun case. So this case is 48 inches long and holds 2 guns, so enough room for a lot of things. You got pockets for extra mags, pellets, bullets, all that. These are really cool because they have the absorbance technology. You can put guns in here that are soaking wet, put them in here, leave them overnight, and the next morning they're super dry. I've used this at a local match that we went to a few weeks ago, and it was snowing on us, and put our guns in, and by the time we got home they were all dry and ready to go. So these are great for Christmas gifts and all that with the upcoming holidays. All right, so that's my pick for this week, and we're gonna pass it to the next guy.
What's up, everybody? I'm Justin. I'm with Utah Airguns. I'm just kind of one of the old guys around here, but I want to introduce you guys to a product today. This is the Odinworks Ready Bag. This is a gun bag. This has separate compartments inside for a carbine rifle or two. But funny fact about this and how it relates into our world is it was discovered by the owners of Odinworks that it actually fits a 9-liter tank really well. So we're going to call this a dual purpose bag here. We've got a dual carbine bag, but it's also a phenomenal tank bag. Let me walk you through some of the features here. As you can see, it's just got a lot of large pockets with Velcro, so you can do your patches on there if you'd like. It's got pockets inside the pockets, lots of storage, and inside lots of padding. So it's padded all the way around. It does have a carry strap, or you can either do a shoulder strap, or it's got a handle up here so you can carry it either way. But just really nice quality. Can't beat that for the money, that's for dang sure. It's a great bag. I actually own one of these that they sent an AR that I bought from them in, and I love it for that. It's perfect size for a carbine rifle, or turns out a 9-liter tank, and all your gear, your cleaning kits, your Kestros, your pellets, whatever you want to put in there. It's great for that. You can store hoses in the pockets. It's also got other external pockets, so if you want to put some other shooting sticks or whatever in there, works great for all of that. And it's got straps to support whatever goes in that side pocket. So really well thought out bag either way. Oh, you can also carry it from the top. So you can carry it, and the bottom, you can carry it however the hell you want. That's what's cool about it. You carry it upside down, side to side, however you want. Other things to note, the price. The price is amazing. $124.99 gets you this bag in black or in this tan color that you see. Can't beat it. That's an amazing price for any, I mean, this is worth double that in my opinion. So great value, great features, well thought out. Whether you're going to be putting your air tank in it or your, a couple ARs, whatever you want to put in it, it's very well thought out and made, and you can carry it upside down, round and round, whatever you want. Get one, try it out. I mean, $100 during the holidays, $124.99 all day long. So get yourself one, and I'll pass the rest on to the next guy.
What's up, guys? Sawyer here. Today for Beyond the Barrel, our under $200 kind of gift guide product, what I chose was the Fix-It Sticks kit. And this one is Justin's. Don't tell him that I stole his. But these for $130 I think are essential. I have 2 different sets personally of Fix-It Sticks. I have one very similar to this, and then I have a much bigger one. But this one specifically is Airgun specific. So This one comes with a longer 2.5 ball head so that you can tune your air gun. You guys that have FX guns know that some of those regulator adjusters are small and kind of in an awkward spot, and you need to be at an angle, so that ball head is perfect. But some other things that this kit comes with is obviously a couple different sizes of hex and Torx heads, but it also has their main driver that is ratcheting, which is super nice working on guns and really any other thing. I use mine a lot more for other stuff than I really do for guns, just because I always have one handy. But this one also comes with a torque head, which is way nice. And it's not like other torque heads where it's like a torque value specific head. This one goes from 0 to 65 foot-pounds, or no, not foot-pounds. That's a lot. Inch-pounds. So that's super nice to have just handy, so you can torque a scope on without, you know, crushing the tube, or just knowing that everything is torqued to the specific value. But yeah, these are just super nice, super handy, nice, real compact case. Then you really don't have an excuse not to have tools when you need them. But yeah, this is what I would pick if you're getting a gift for yourself or an air gunner, or really any dude that just needs tools. These are awesome. So yeah, that's what I picked.
All right, everybody, that's a wrap today. Hope you enjoyed the featured products. If you're buying them for gifts and you see this right away, make sure you get your orders in. You want to have them in by December 10th at the latest to guarantee that you're going to have it. If you're going to buy this for a gift for somebody for Christmas, get those orders in right away. Don't wait. But they're available all the time, and there's a ton of things under $200 on our website. This is just a few that we want to highlight for you today. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.